this is Jonathan, an arborist community expert, and this is how to use the new Jet Step from Notch. So this is a new Jet Step from Notch. Really nice, has these dual cams. This is a rope grabber here. It's really smooth on your rope. In this video, I'm going to compare it to my old Petzl foot ascender, which is a single cam, and it's really hard to pull a rope down through there. And the other thing about it too, it has these super sharp pegs that tear up your rope. So this thing kind of solved all of the problems of this old foot ascender with the dual cams and this retention bar right here. Let's start out with a Petzl old school foot ascender on old school Art Pros with broken laces. We're going to do double rope technique and using the zigzag as the ascent device. So double rope technique. So here's the old foot ascender. Go ahead and step up on it. And then pull the zigzag up. See, and that's what you have to do. That's the problem with that old one.
But you need it.
You could have your ground men down below. I could
put weight on it.
Yeah, but see, this length is changing. Right? You can't really tie it off. So go ahead and step up. Yep. And then move up. Yep. Yep. Get that foot up under you. No, you don't need a foot lock. You're tearing the rope up. Just destroyed the rope right there. A brand new rope. Jesus.
How?
Because it pulled on those pegs. Oh my God. I guess. Don't foot lock. There you go, like that. Yeah. Yeah, and then pull that zigzag. Yeah, there you go. You don't need to take big steps with it. Do the same thing again with the new Notch Jet Step. Supposedly, it's gentler on the rope there. You don't need a carabiner to lock it, and that little hook prevents it from coming out.
Oh, it does. Yeah.
Oh no! Oh, look at that, huh?
It was better that first step. That's kind of clean.
Yeah, that was clean. Oh, no, it works.
That's way nicer.
Oh, it is way nicer. Now we're on single rope technique. So on the single rope with the zigzag, you got to integrate in the chicane to give you more resistance. I usually use a knee ascender with the single rope and a chest harness. So we're on single rope only. But see, now that single rope is fixed on the ground, right? That length doesn't change, so you could tie it off. But with that new jetpack, you don't need to. But here, we're just giving it a try. Single rope with the chicane, the zigzag,